To insert image in Excel, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to insert picture in Excel. So simply go to the top and select insert, as you can see here. Okay, in the illustrations section select pictures, then insert picture from this device, as you can see. Okay, let's select the two pictures, as you can see. Okay, I will resize to fit the cell. Okay, so the picture one, let's put in this cell. Okay, as you can see, so easy. Then the second one. Okay, that's it. As you can see, guys, we have two pictures. That's it, so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.